The world economy is at risk of another financial meltdown, following the failure of governments and regulators to push through all the reforms needed to protect the system from reckless behavior, the International Monetary Fund has warned. With global debt levels well above those at the time of the last crash in 2008, the risk remains that unregulated parts of the financial system could trigger global panic, the Washington-based lender of last resort said. The warning from the IMF Global Financial Stability report echoes similar concerns that complacency among regulators and a backlash against international agreements, especially from Donald Trump's U.S. administration, has undermined efforts to prepare for another downturn. The IMF said, the sequence of aftershocks and policy responses that followed the Lehman bankruptcy has led to a world economy in which the median general government debt-GDP ratio stands at 52%, up from 36% before the crisis. Central bank balance sheets, particularly in advanced economies, are several multiples of the size they were before the crisis, and emerging market and developing economies now account for 60% of global GDP in purchasing power parity terms, which compares with 44% in the decade before the crisis, reflecting, in part, a weak recovery in advanced economies.